Hello, Body Fangs, walk through push. Guys, what a beautiful bloody day at art today. Can you see it? The sun are shining on my gefreet over here, giving me some vitamin D. There's a couple of small clouds. Okay, no, that's a Moorse cloud. It's like a thunderstorm coming. Thunder. Lightning and a thunder. And then all of a sudden come the electricity from the clouds over there. And it's like, vat so very. And light you up soos 'n kersie by a kiddies party. And it cook. Yeah. It just reminds me that we're getting bloody older, eh? Yeah, it's lekker. But as soon as you hit 40, ou maat, it becomes downhill. A lekker downhill. Like a super tube made from ground pet. I know. In the mornings when you wake up, nee, knak jy soos 'n glow stick by 'n visvang party. Of jy knak soos 'n Wimbix. Of buig soos 'n warm visser. Yeah, and things don't look the same anymore. Okay. What used to be a mooi lang piesang is now all of a sudden a bloody rosyntjie. You look like a California raisin. Ja. Nee, Donnie Roberts. My ou Pally, my broer, my bra, my woepwapke oomfie. It's your birthday today, nee. 42. 2. Ja. Bloody happy birthday, man. I hope you get vrot gespoiled today and you have a bubbly of a biertjie of a brandewyn of a whiskey of something lekker just to go down and throat you. Yeah, and it past the lungs and the heart all the way down to the boob shoot. In any case, so Donnie Roberts, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thanks. Happy birthday, my Opali Donnie Ikichi. Happy birthday for you. Hip hip, right, hip, right, hip, right. Happy birthday, John. Okay, thanks.